Meet the eFLEX, an ultra-thin on-the-go panel. To use the eFLEX, simply connect your USB charging cable into the USB port on the back of the panel. Then connect your USB device of choice. Once under the sun, the eFLEX will begin to charge. The eFLEX can be used hands-free by conveniently attaching it to a tent or a backpack with the included carabiners. It is also possible to mount your eFLEX to a non-tinted window for charging. Secure the suction cups to the eFLEX so that the cups are facing the same side as the panel before attaching it to a window. If you're having any charging issues, please make sure that the eFLEX is in full sunlight. Then, check the charging cable for any rips or tears. The Renogy eFLEX, your new solar sidekick.